If you don't remember the screen lock password on your OPPO Find X9 and now you cannot unlock your phone, then in order to solve this issue, to get the access back, you will have to perform a factory reset by going to recovery mode. This of course means that you will lose everything that you have on your phone, so unless you made a backup some sort of at some point, you will unfortunately lose everything. So in order to proceed to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our device. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and we're gonna slide it down over here in order to proceed to turn off the phone. Once the phone is completely off, we will have to press and hold the power button and volume down button. And we need to hold these two buttons until you see the OPPO logo on the screen. After that, only hold the volume down button. And just wait until we have the language selection. And we should be able to go to the recovery mode right after that. There we go. So now over here, you can either use volume buttons in order to navigate in these menus, and you can confirm the selected option by pressing the power button, or you can just also tap. You can use the touch screen as well. So of course, over here, we want to choose format data. You will have to enter this code in order to continue. And once you are done, you should be able to have the initial configuration again. And that's how we can get the access back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.